All right, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub so your commits, branches, and pull requests automatically sync with your tasks. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp and sign in. In the top right corner, click your profile picture and choose Integrations. This is where you'll find all the apps that can connect to your workspace. Scroll down until you see the GitHub logo and click it. Now select Add Integration. A new GitHub window will open. Just sign in and click Authorize ClickUp. This gives ClickUp permission to read your repositories and send task activity between both platforms. Once you return to ClickUp, you'll see a list of your GitHub repos. Choose the repository you want to connect. If you need multiple repos, you can select more than one. Next, choose the ClickUp space where you want GitHub activity to appear. This keeps everything organized, so commits and pull requests show up in the right team area. Now that the integration is active, ClickUp will automatically track your GitHub actions. Whenever you create a commit, branch, or pull request and include the task ID in your commit message, GitHub will instantly send that update to ClickUp. Open any task, and you'll see a GitHub panel on the right side showing commits, linked branches, and pull requests. This makes it super easy to check progress without switching tabs. If you ever need to disconnect a repo or change your settings, just go back to the integrations page and manage your GitHub connection from there. And that's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now synced with GitHub, making collaboration smoother and saving you time on manual updates. Hey everyone.